Introducing the AquaSpin, only from Funnetra, your trusted source for adventure gear. Built from durable aluminum alloy, the AquaSpin is ready for the deep. Whether you're diving at night, exploring caves, or working in search and rescue, Funnetra brings you the clarity and reliability you need. Its smooth rotary switch lets you shift easily between high, medium, low, and SOS modes, even with gloves on. Delivering up to 1200 lumens of powerful brightness, this torch runs on rechargeable 18650 batteries, keeping your path clear in even the darkest waters. Trusted by divers worldwide, Funnetra combines innovation and rugged design to keep you powered on every journey.